Here I'm looking at where it started to melt. You can see the ribbon cable where it melted. Here I'm just showing you how I insert the cable. Where it says A, I'm just showing you that area, how much cable is coming out. Also in that A, you have to make sure it doesn't get pinched when you put in the plate. And over here it got burnt too. It like popped out, it like a bubble.